Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Lynette Gani, 30 years old. I have a living partner. We have 2 kids and ages 8 years old and 7 years old. I graduated in vocational course.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My partner and also my parents.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I worked here in the Philippines for 2 years. There are 5 members in the family. My couple, employees, and their 3 children. I do cleaning, ironing, and laundering.
Are you willing to sleep late at night and wake up early in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
What if your employer is not home and the baby keep crying? What will you do?
First, I will cradle the baby. I will check the diapers baby if wet. I will check the temperature. If the baby's had a fever, and I will call my employees so they for further instructions.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I would to earn money and support my children, especially their educations.
How about if you feel homesick? What will you do?
I do praying and focus to my work.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any foods you don't eat or food allergy?
No, ma'am.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will finish my contract if ever my employees need me.
Please describe yourself.
I'm trustworthy, honest, loyal, and easy to learn.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir. Good day. I hope that you will pick me as your helper. I am responsible, trustworthy, and honest person. I promise to serve your own as my own family. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.